My back went out last night. What do? Well, the first thing you do is just don't lay in bed all day, but go get some muscle relaxers and anti-inflammatory, and then start stretching. Physical therapy or chiropractic work great, and they work equally for the lower back. So daily stretching. It takes time. You've got to stretch every day. Your abdominal muscles support about 80% of the strength of the back, not your back muscles. Your back muscles are just for good looks. And you've got to stretch. If you're not better in 4 weeks, do an MRI. Muscle relaxers, anti-inflammatories, physical therapy, chiropractic, stretch. You've got to move. The worst thing you can do is just lay in bed. You know, when I was younger, we put people in the hospital for 2 weeks, bed rest. Oh, worst thing we could have done. We had 30, 40, 50 people in the hospital for low back pain. It was terrible. None of them got better. Got to move if you have low back pain. This is Dr. Caudill Miller. Like, comment, subscribe. I answer all the comments in 2 or 3 days. More later.